Okay, so what we got here is a Porsche Cayenne 2019 installed with the G-ON4 4K dashcam. So as you can see, that's how it sits on the front, and you can see the front of the camera there, and you have the rear camera in the back there, nice and small. It's all connected to your phone, so when you connect to it you can check the video. That's the front one, and that's the back one. You can watch all the recorded videos right on the phone and download it directly to your phone as well. Just got all the stored videos here, and you can click into any one and download it directly to your phone. If you want this installed on your Porsche, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.